Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. For today's video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Pokemon Go cannot join raid group error code 36. Now let's hop into the steps. First is to clear cache files of the game, then relaunch it. To do that, go to the settings of your phone. In here, look for the apps and open it. Now locate the Pokemon Go app and then tap it. Look for the storage and open it. Simply tap on the clear cache and then relaunch the game. Now after that, check if it fixed the problem. But if not, then try to leave the raid group and then rejoin. Some players was able to fix the error by leaving and rejoining. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.